March 26, 2025. It's about 2 p.m. Just finished a side job. And yeah, we're starting this. This line is 1 inch in. So the 3, 4, 5 again. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to mark 15 foot 1 because I'm 1 inch in there. So the magic number is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. Ooh, way out here. And mark 20 foot 1. Now 6. Put a nail right where these two intersect. 6 times 5 is 30. 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. So where 25 meets this lead line is square. Now of course that's an inch in. I got a 5.5 inch wall, so I'll put that 4.5, 14.5, 10. Five and a half. Bring this line in 5.5. Okay, we're bringing this wall into 5.5 inches. Finish the other half of this wall. And now we are 5.5 in. This wall and that wall are now square. Now we measure everything off these two walls. It's going to be 15 foot 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. Sorry, 4.5. Checking, this is 5.5. Okay. Is that fairly straight? Yep. 15 foot 10, back 5.5. Okay, now the total width of the building, 26, less 5.5. 8 feet plus 1 foot 7.5. Yeah, that's cool. 9 foot 7.5 up front here. 9 foot 7.5. Oh man, nope. Got that wrong. Oops, that's my mistake. It's 8 foot 3.5. Outside to outside. So 7 foot 10 to the inside of my 2x6 stub wall. This will be 26 feet. this jog is 5'6". Make sure this is on 5.5 here. Eleven and a half. Go 5'11" back here. 5'11" and a half. Yep. Okay. Check for ceiling height. 7'11", 3 inches of concrete. 7'8". We're going to bring this up 4.5 inches. Stairs hit here. We want to go 17'7". Just trying to get a rough idea of the stairwell opening. What a mess. Two and a half. It's not gonna work. Oh my gosh. There's so much here. So bad. One more yet. Okay. Well, that's the end of the day. Had a little visitation there. That's day one.